I think this deal is sick right here. Alright, so welcome back to the channel. You know what to do if you're new. Subscribe, get notified for more videos just like this. But if you're already part of the crew, salute. Now, but this is the Tinwoo, it says right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at it in a little bit more detail. And I was excited because of the wireless charging feature on here. It looks really cool. Let's go ahead and take a look at what comes inside of here. Now you can ignore calls that come in, but you can't answer them, but you can see them come in and you can decide whether you want to answer it ignore it or not. And that's pretty cool. You get text alerts, notifications. You also do get weather on here. So a lot of watches didn't offer the weather before, but you're actually getting that in this package. Now here is the proprietary cable. I don't like this because if you lose it, you're stuck with, you can't do anything. But what's really cool is that this offers wireless charging. So if you lose that cable, you can still charge the watch. And then you also do get your 1-year warranty along with your user manual. So let's take a look at this watch in a little bit more detail. Now I'm using this watch that I did unbox on the channel. I think it's called like the Let's Fit. It's really cool. It has a lot of cool features, but it does not have that weather thing that this one is touting. So it's cool because this new one is gonna have the weather on it. Let's go ahead and take this off. It says power on right here, sport, stopwatch, and sports. Okay, cool. And then let's go ahead and power this on. 1, 2, 3. It had a nice vibration to it. So you can see the dial right there. It's fully charged right now out of the box, which is crazy. And the screen actually looks pretty. So you just point that right in the direction of the QR scanner and it brings you to the downloading screen here. So let me show you what that looks like. It's directly from the Play Store. And the app is called Tinwoo, so it's actually named after the watch. I think that's pretty cool. Let's wait for that to download. And then it says right here that the smartwatch can ensure 7 to 10 days after being fully charged. So let's go ahead and open up the app right here. It's completely downloaded. And then it says right here that once you've read everything, you can agree and begin to use this application. Now, here to pair it, and it's already gonna be popping up on the top. You just hit that and now you're in. So it says connected. You got settings, take photo, personal information here. You can enter that, take a photo, your height, your weight, sports modes. You got your alarms here where you can add those applications. So it's got Google Fit, user data, things of that nature. Let's go back. It does have device options here, so you can get alerted. Time display, you can change that. Everything's on Fahrenheit. You can customize the units and things of that nature. Notifications, so you can decide what apps you're going to get notified on. Okay, so you can see right there, you have to get it dead center. And then you could see it starting to charge wirelessly on my wireless charger, which is actually pretty cool. So now that we got that, I want to show you the clocks on here. So all you'd have to do is go back right here. You can't use it while it's charging, so you'd have to go back. So you can see I got the Louis V on here. All you'd have to do is swipe to the right, go to settings, and then this little icon at the top left is your watch faces. Now this is how you change your brightness. You can go up or down, and then you can also change the display to 3, 5 seconds, or always on, but we're gonna change it to 3. So let's click here, and then you can see that we do have the option to swipe up to get to your different watch faces right here. So there's a lot of them right here, and this is actually pretty sweet. So look at this. This one has all the old school look to it. We got this one right here, and then that's all of them. So let me swipe back up. I'm gonna keep it at this one. All right, cool. This one gets you straight to your alarm clock. if you just press this button right here, and then if you press this button, it's gonna get you straight to your time. So I think that's cool. Alarm clock, time, and sports modes. That's the sports modes button. Cool. All right, guys, this is the Tinwoo. I'm gonna go through this watch for a little bit more, see how the battery lasts, but I like the fact that it has wireless charging, waterproofing. I just woke the screen when I flicked my wrist. Let me see if that works again. Yep. So it's got the flick of the wrist. It has a nice grill to it, nice feel in the hand, waterproof. 2 hours gets you, 2 hours of charging gets you 15 days on here. But you can also control your music on this thing. A lot of people might be wanting to know how to do that. So it's pretty much through here. You got your time units. Like I said before, you can change the date format. There's call alert settings here. So you could change the vibration type, which is cool. And notifications filter, raise to wake, as well as find device. And in applications, it's got run and background permissions. Let me see if you can if I could show you that. Delete users data. You could connect to the Google Fit, and here are the sports modes. So you got running, stride, calories burned, distance goals, low heart rate. So we can actually enable all of these as well on here. And you'll be alerted whenever you have like a high heart rate or a low heart rate. You'll get your sedentary. So if you it'll let you know when you want to sit down or not. You get it. You can change your distance goals to 5 miles by miles. I think that's cool. You can do calories burned, steps walked, strides as well. And then in the personal, you can adjust this deal. So these are some really cool features on here. But like I said, you'll have a personalized photo on here as well. This is a pretty sweet smartwatch for $49, and it actually started out at $79. But I'm gonna leave a link down below, and I'll check you guys later. Peace, I'm out.